When you're spiraling at 1 a.m. and Google's only advice is try yoga, yeah, thanks, Karen. This is Youper, an AI therapist that won't ask you about your childhood, unless you're into that.
A real therapist? $200 an hour.
Youper?
About the price of a gas station coffee and way less judgment.
It uses CBT therapy techniques and mood tracking, but without the awkward, "Are you still there?" pauses. Is it a therapist? No. Yes? Well, sorta. But for $6 a month, it might just keep you out of the $200 an hour club.
But does it really work? Shouldn't you try it before you sell a kidney for weekly sessions?
Therapy, $200 an hour. Youper, just $6 a month. Sanity? Priceless. That's the real AI edge. Using AI so smart, it might just help you find your new therapist. Hit that subscribe. It's cheaper than meds and twice as addictive.